Hello sir, I'm Eliza Irish Alvirico, 3rd year, taking up Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. And without further ado, I'll start my final exam presentation. Light sensors. So what is light sensor? A light sensor converts light energy into electrical energy. The light sensor is a passive device that converts the light energy into an electrical signal output. Light sensors are more commonly known as photoelectric devices or photosensors because they convert light energy photons into electronic signal electrons. Phototransistors, photoresistors, and photodiodes are some of the more common type of light intensity sensors. Now, how does light sensor work? The most common light sensor type that's used in a light sensor circuit are photodiodes and photoresistors. So let us know how light sensor works with these two light sensor types. Light sensors sometimes use a component called a photodiode to measure illuminance. When beams of light strike a photodiode, they have tendency to knock electrons loose, causing an electric current to flow. The brighter the light, the stronger the electric current. The current can then be measured to return the illuminance of the light. If light-induced electric current sounds familiar, it is because this is the operating principle of the solar panels used to power road signs and homes. Solar panels are basically very big photodiode light sensors. To simply put it, when a beam of light hits, electrons are loosened, causing electron holes, which results in electrical current to flow through. Photoresistor. A photoresistor is light-dependent resistor, meaning that if there is a change in the brightness of the light shined on it, there will be a change in resistance. Photoresistors are cheaper than photodiodes, but they are much less accurate, so they are mostly used to compare relative light levels or simply whether a light is on or off, meaning it works similarly to your regular resistors, but instead resistance change is dependent on the amount of light it's exposed to. High intensity of light causes a lower resistance between the cadmium sulfide cells. The low intensity of light results in a higher resistance between the cadmium sulfide cells. Now, what are the use of light sensor? Here are some applications of light sensors. Consumer electronics. It allows auto-screen brightness adjustment. It measures the ambient light level of your surroundings and determines the suitable brightness of your screen. For automobiles, it supports the driver's field of vision. The present light sensor detects surrounding ambient light, and if it's getting too dark, it will automatically turn on light systems. For agricultural usages, it keeps crops hydrated yet not overhydrating it by a light sensor connected to a sprinkler system, detecting levels of sunlight and only activating it when the sun isn't at its brightest. It is used alongside other temperature sensors to help gather informative data as well. And lastly, security applications. It is commonly used in circuits for shipment cargoes. Light sensors are connected to circuits and placed inside, as it can detect whenever a container is open due to the change in light exposure. This helps in better processing of lost goods and tracking as personnel. That's all, sir. Thank you.